Press the bell icon and never miss any update from What's Up Bollywood.
Relief to Noora Fateh. ED lists her as prosecution witness, whereas Jacqueline is still in ED radar. Enforcement Directorate has filed case against conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar and his wife Leena Maria Paul and 6 others in extortion case. Both Noora Fateh and Jacqueline were questioned by ED from the proceeds of the crime. They received expensive gift. Noora Fateh has been named as prosecution witness. She had been gifted a BMW 5 Series car. Jacqueline received gift worth rupees 8 crore including a Arabian horse. ED has opened a lookout circular against Jacqueline Fernandez. According to media report, Noora Fateh got some relief from ED in the ED prosecution complaint filed in money laundering probe revolving around 2,000 crore extortion racket. Noora Fateh has been named as prosecution 45 from ED. Jacqueline Fernandez is still under the scanner of ED, but this is sure that she is not in the list of 178 witnesses who has been named by ED. ED has recorded a statement under Section 50 of PMLA. In extortion racket, ED has filed prosecution complaint against 8 suspects including mastermind Sukesh Chandrasekhar and his wife Leena Maria Paul. According to media reports, Sukesh claimed he has transferred the $150 lakhs to Jacqueline's sister in US and 15 lakhs to her brother in Australia. This was done by the Deepak Ramnani, who has been arrested. Noora Fateh's spokesperson has clarified the picture. On the behalf of Noora Fateh, he would like to clarify that Noora Fateh has been the victim around the case, and being a witness, she is cooperating and helping the officer in the investigation. We would like to make it clear that she has not been part of any money laundering activity. She does not know or have any personal connection with the accused and has been called by ED strictly to help with the investigation. What do you think about Noora Fateh and the case in which she has been witness? Do comment and let us know about your opinion. For more updates, stay tuned with What's Up Bollywood.